In front of me is AGM Mobile Smart Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Voice Recorder Pro from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit while using the app, select Allow and Consent. Now start recording by clicking on this button. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on the smaller button. If you want to end it and save it though, click on the main one again. Now to play your recording, click on it. If you want to manage it, double tap it and hit rename. And if this doesn't work, click on those three dots and then hit rename to type in whatever you want to. Then confirm your choice by choosing rename here. To get rid of it, you need to hold it, choose Delete button at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!